Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can clean or change out the brush on your EUFY RoboVac 11S. So first things first, turn it upside down and turn it off if it isn't off already. This is where the brush is located, and all we have to do is press in on these two tabs and lift it up, and that takes off the cover here, gives you a chance to give this a nice clean, and the brush will come out on the right hand side. So if the bin's facing you on the right hand side, lift the brush up here on this bit here, and then it comes out from that bit there. So that's kind of locked into place because this is where it's driven, and this is just freewheeling over here. Now when it comes to this one, if it hasn't completely worn away, then what you can do is you can easily get rid of the hair by just gently with the scissors. Don't cut through the bristles, but if you just go next to the bristles here and just start cutting along here, you can see that you can cut through all the hair without damage anything. And if you do that in a few different places, hopefully you will find that it will all just come off nice and easy like so. Now clearly do this over a floor which is easy to clean. I'm just doing it here purely for the video. And there you go, you get the idea now. So you can give it a nice good clean by just pulling away all the hair and the fluff from it. Now let's say if the bristles themselves have worn away because you've been using this for years, then you can buy replacement brushes very cheaply on places like eBay and Amazon. We will put a link down in the description down below to a kit where you can get all various different spares. Now if you have a look, one side is round here and one side square. The square side is the side that is driving this. That needs to go in this side here, the left hand side if you've got the bin facing you, and basically just place it in and turn it until it kind of clicks into place. Yeah, they've helpfully given you a little arrow to tell you anyway which way to put it in, but if we just put it in there and go to turn it, it will kind of click into place. There you go, it's now in its place, and it will allow you then to push it fully down. If it's not in the square, you can't push it fully down, so just keep turning it until it goes into place there, and then hopefully this will be nice and clean. Now you put the two tabs in this way and then just click down into place, and now you've got a nice new brush. So you can turn it on and hopefully he will pick up a nice bit of dirt. Thanks for watching.